So this is a quick little rice video on how to cook the proper rice, the best perfect rice. So what you want to do is get your rice, put it in a bowl or strainer. You want to rinse it off 2 times or 3. Then you put it in the pot and you season it before you add water. So you can add whatever seasoning you like. I put salt, pepper, and onion seasoning. Then you want to add some water in there, but you don't want to add too much water. You want to put in a pot of rice, you want to put at least, I would say, 1.5 cups of water at the most. Not too much. Only enough to cover the surface a little bit and put your finger in it like that, and it goes up to your index finger. Just a little bit, not too much water. Just enough. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to add my water. You know, people be measuring and all this and that. That's cool. That's cool. So I always move my rice around like a leveler so I can see exactly how much water I got in here. Because you don't want to put too much water. You know what I'm saying? So, I might add just a little bit more. Because you put too much water, your rice be all, you know, wet. You know what I'm saying? So you want to add a little bit more water. Boom. So, put your finger in like that, and the water should be almost to your index. You know, just a little bit. The water, you'll feel it, like, just a little bit of water, you know what I'm saying? That's all you need. That's all the water you need right there, right? So, and you could add a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? But you don't want to add too much water, you know what I mean? So with me, you know, right now, it's a pretty big pot of rice, so I add just a little bit more water, just so I know it can cook real good and it be fluffy and all that good old stuff, you know what I mean? So I add a little bit more water. So basically, shit, you add 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. You know what I'm saying? Depending on how big the cup is or whatever. So you want to put it on high. Put your stove on high. And you want to when it start boiling, put it all the way on low. Put a top on it. And then set your timer to 15 minutes. And that's it. And you're going to have some beautiful, perfect rice. All right? Subscribe, comment, share.